Hello everybody, my name is Luiz and let's talk about unit tests inside Revit. And yes, I already used this one, this Revit test runner, and works fine, but does not fit very well with my system. So I decided to create my own. And yeah, I use this one, this project, as inspiration. And yeah, because I went to my old test to work in my new framework. So yeah, here's my framework that I'm using the NUnit tests, and I create this this package so I can run tests in any system. And I'm gonna work with the attributes like the test, the setup, the tear down, the ignore, the explicit, this test case work as well. And other thing that's interesting that I add is the constructor and disposable. And I can embed or inject some custom parameters or custom objects inside my test. In this case, it's gonna show some string, but I can embed in Revit, like the Y application or Y control application, or some stuff that only can run inside Revit. Yeah, that's the idea. And yeah, that's it. And then I created this project. Yeah, I have in here the application and the console. The application gonna run inside Revit like a server, and the console gonna work like a client. So I can connect to my Revit, send the file, and do all the stuff that I need to do. Let's run this to show a little demo, show what's going on. In this case, I can put a file on here, a DOL file, but I already have one, and I just press enter. And I'm gonna show all the versions installed, all the Revit version installed in my computer. I have 18, 19, 20, and so on. Have this one installed. I can select someone using my keyboard and select what version I want to test that file. Let's try the version 21. Yeah, and gonna open the Revit 21 in my machine and gonna run that test in there. Let's wait that to open. And what's going on? First, my console gonna install that application so I can have the server running, and gonna try to connect it in there and gonna show the connections. Let's wait. Yeah, already connected, and the server send me some response to show what's going on. And now I send the file to be tested in there and have some document transaction, new document, and other random tests that I'm testing. Yeah, that's it. And have some interesting that I can show as well. Here I have, let's put in this. Here I have the adding. This is the application. If I press in that, you're gonna open this one, but you can look in here, have a big no. Yeah, because my Revit is busy doing something, or the user is doing something in Revit. Yeah, and my server is saying to my client that I'm busy, I can receive any test, something like that. Yeah, if I press OK in here, I'm gonna go to a Greenland. Now my Revit is not busy, so busy is false. That's it. If I can press space again, I can run the same test in Revit and gonna run in that. And as well is working like that. What other thing I can do is I can update this test, this DOL, and my application, my console application, gonna check something changed and gonna try to run the file again. And let's build this project again just to show. I remove all the tests, just one, yeah, and gonna show in that. Or yeah, I can put again, build again, and gonna update and run all the tests inside Revit. And if I press escape in here, I'm gonna close my Revit. That's great. But from Revit already open, it's not gonna close because that's what I configured like that. And other thing that's interesting to show, if I press, in this case, space, I'm gonna read that file. I'm gonna check what version is using. In my case, I'm using Revit 17, like this, but I don't have Revit 17, so I'm gonna open the next one, install it in my computer, like the Revit 18. Yeah, that's how I configure my application, my console application. It's open in another. You're gonna do all the same stuff. Gonna connect to the server, gonna access some information, gonna send the file, gonna receive some response, what happened with the file, and yeah, everything pass or fail, gonna work the same, and yeah, and that's it. And if I close this one, gonna close in there as well, gonna disconnect it, and yeah, that's how it's working. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. I probably gonna create another video about how to create a test using this, and probably gonna work in this future project, because the idea is I can run this test using the test, I forget the name, the test explorer inside Visual Studio. That's the idea. So I can run these tests in here and gonna open the Revit, or if I already open, gonna run that and do all this stuff that you should do to test your application, your Revit application. Yeah, that's it. And if you don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and see you. Bye bye.